My girl, my boy over there eating them wings. Is it good? Is it good? Yo, that wings good? How them Tommy's Tavern wings? They good? Who's it?
They don't think I'm fat.
I ain't gonna think you fat. Okay. Hey, you wanna eat? Look at them wings. Look at them wings. Look at him. He gonna wait for his food to come. He stole his sister wings. God damn. Well, god damn. Alright. Yeah, I got mine. I started eating it already. Burger and a side salad. How's it good? Tank, is it good? Tank. Tank. Is it good? What you got, man? What you got, man? Chicken tenders and fries. What's that on the side? Is that what you got? Mayonnaise? Oh. Yours good, cuz? What you got, man?
Chicken tenders and fries.
My girl's still down there eating like a queen. Look at her eating like a queen. I got my food. Little burger. Side salad. Got that ice cream. She got hers. She hogged that joint down. Yo, come on, eat your ice cream, man. Is it good? Is it good? Let me get some. It's been hot. I don't want that crap. I don't want to eat it. What's going on? Let me see. Let me see. Huh? Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. Hold on. Let me see. What? You want me to get it out? I'll get it out. You gonna get in trouble. You gonna get in trouble. You gonna get in trouble. Alright.